Hello to lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Ive Sun and I am from Diploma Business Information System. I am from Group 1. I am leader for the group. Other members in my group are Kelvin Lau, Lawrence, Jonathan Dion, and Eric. Today I am going to talk about adjective and adverbs. First, adjectives are words used to describe or modify noun or pronouns. They can represent the nature, characteristics, stats, and attributes of people or object. They can replace attributive, predicated, complements, adverbials, etc. In sentences, adverbs are mainly used to modify verb and can also be used to modify adjective, adverb, verbs, prepositional fragments, and sentences indicative, time, place, manners, degree, questions, etc. This is all from me. Kelvin Lau will discuss further in next part. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ives, for passing the present to me. I would like to explain more about adjective and adverbs. The adjective words are usually used before the noun. It gives more information about the things of the person. For example, it is a car. It is a beautiful car. The word beautiful is an adjective noun word that describe how the car look like. Another example, the children are clever. The word clever is describing the children is clever. Now I would like to talk about adverbs. Adverbs is usually used with verbs and adjectives. Adjective and adverbs also tell us more information about the person of the thing. There are some examples about the adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. This type of adverb is used with verb. For example, slowly. For example, carefully, carelessly, effortlessly. Besides, adverb of type and frequency. This adverb is let us know about the specific type. For example, always, almost, usually, and often. The other type of adverb is adverb of place. This type of adverb is usually used in the end of a sentence, such as she walked out of the room to nowhere. Or you can use in the middle of the sentence, such example is Tom go anywhere with his dog. That's all from me. I would like to pass to Jonathan. Thank you.
Thanks Kelvin for passing the present to me. I will give some example for us to understand about the adjective and adverb. First we talk about adjective. Adjectives are used to modify nouns or pronouns. It can give more information about the thing or the person. For the example, this is a beautiful girl. The beautiful is the adjective word that describe the girls. For another example, this man is very gentle. Gentle is the word that describe the man. Okay, now we talk about adverb. Adverbs are used to strengthen the word or give more information about the thing of the person. For the example, this old man is walking slowly. Slow becomes slowly because we can strengthen about the verb in the sentences. adverb also can use for the place, like outside, inside, here, approve. For the example, Mary took his dog outside today. Outside is the adverb that describes where Mary took his dog today. Okay, that's all I want to say. Now I will pass to Eric. Thank you.
Thank Jonathan for passing the presentation to me. I will tell you about the use of adjective and adverb. Both of them are used to describe the word. It can enable us to have images in mind. The difference between the adjective and adverb is adjective is used to describe the noun and pronoun, but adverb is used to describe the verb or anything apart from the noun and pronoun. I give you an example about the adjective. The playroom has 6 small round plastic tables. We can imagine the situation in the playroom. It is use of adjective. Now I give you an example about the adverb. It is an extremely heavy rain. We can imagine the rain is drizzle, heavy, or extremely heavy. It is used for adverb. That is all for me. Now I will pass to Lawrence. Thank you.
Thank Eric for passing the presentation to me. Adjective come in 3 forms, also called degrees. An adjective in its normal or usual form is called positive degree adjective. There are also comparative and superlative degrees, which are used for comparison such as several, severals. A common error in using adjective and adverb arises from using the wrong form of comparison. To compare two things, we use a comparative adjective. For example, she is the traveler of the 2 women. The traveler is the superlative form of traveler. It is only used when comparing 3 or more things. For example, she is the traveler of them all. There are also 3 degrees of adverb. In formal usage, do not dump the ly form adverb when using the comparative form. For example, she spoke more quickly than he did. This is all for me. That is we are going to share today. Thank you.